beautiful people, I'm Victoria and this is Tori's Tropicals. So I'm really excited for today's video. I have a plant unboxing for you guys and it is from Plant Haven Toronto and I am just so excited for this plant. So I'm just going to open it up and jump right in. So I've wanted this plant for a while. They're quite pricey, but I'm really excited. The picture I'm pretty sure is of the plant I'm getting because they seem to put multiple pictures up. I'm just trying to be very careful. I don't want to just dig my scissors in there. Yeah, they seem to put up multiple pictures. So let's open. There's a little card in there. It says thank you, and then it says, hey plant friend, thank you for your order with us. At Plant Haven Toronto, we take great pride and passion in our plants, and we are delighted that you chose to meet your planting needs. Whether your plants are new additions to your home, business, or shared with loved ones, we truly appreciate you helping us grow together. Your feedback is important to us. For 10% off your next order, please leave us a review on our Google page. Sincerely, Autumn and James, the plant owners of Plant Haven Toronto. So yeah, that's so sweet. So it comes with instructions, which is good because I've never received plants in the mail before, so I'm really excited about that. So let's just read what their instructions are. So it says, thank you for your purchase with us. Here are some quick care tips and recommendations to use when acclimating your new plant into their new environment. 1. Since your plants are coming from a different environment, have most likely spent time in a box in transit, please allow at least 1 week until planting your preferred potting media. This allows for them to de-stress after their journey. If you received your plants in sphagnum moss, make sure the moss stays damp but not wet or soggy. If you receive your plants in soil, water as you normally would. However, make sure you're not overwatering. Only water the plant if it arrives very dry. Watering is necessary. 3. Place your plants in a warm location with bright indirect light, no direct light. If you are deciding to use soil-based potting media, make sure your mix has proper drainage. You may add extra ingredients to your soil such as perlite, orchid bark, and horticultural charcoal to create loose, chunky, well-draining mixture. Alrighty, so let's take out this packaging here. It's packed really nice. And here is the plant. Some tape up here and some tape right here. Lots of tape to keep it nice and secure, which is nice. Got some cotton in here. Just going to unwrap it. Oh, it's so beautiful. So it's got cotton to keep around it to keep it safe, and as you guys can tell, it is a Philodendron verrucosum, and it is just beautiful. It's got this one gorgeous big leaf right here. Like, it's smaller than my hand, but it's still a good size, and it's got this beautiful red detail on the back. Just trying to get all the cotton off this furry stem. I really like the way they package this. And then it's got paper towel wrapped around there, and it is in sphagnum moss. And the sphagnum moss is still damp. They shipped this yesterday on Monday, and today is Tuesday. This video will be going up tomorrow, hopefully. This is the plant. It's got this leaf, then this little leaf here, and then it's got this new growth point right here. Oh, I'm so excited. It is so beautiful. Honestly, ooh. This is my first plant mail that I've ever ordered, and I'm really excited. I'll definitely be ordering more in the mail, especially now that I've got this greenhouse behind me to help acclimate them. Sorry, I'm just still trying to get some of the little bits of cotton off the stem. And look at that stem on the big leaf. It's all, can you guys see that? It's like fuzzy. It's so fuzzy. It feels so cool. This is honestly so awesome. I'm so happy. Let me just tuck him in. Where will he go? Alright, so that's all I have to show you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed my video. Doesn't he look so beautiful just sitting right there? Oh, I'm so excited. But yeah, if you enjoyed my video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. It would mean so much to me. I'd love to hear some feedback. I'll leave my Instagram across the screen here if you'd love to follow me for some more planting adventures. It was really nice seeing you guys. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye, beautiful people!